In this video, I will show you how to download and install Dota 2 on PC. This should be a very quick and easy process, but before we do continue, be sure to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So to go ahead and download and install Dota 2, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is just dota2.com. Once you come across to the website, you'll be taken to the homepage like this. From here, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click the option which says play for free. Now what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. From here, what you want to do is scroll down slightly and you're going to see an option to play a game. You can see the green button here to play Dota 2. It's completely free to play. Of course, there are some in-game purchases, but the base game is completely free. So all you want to do is click the play game button. Now, in order to run this, you do need to have the Steam desktop application installed. If you do have installed, click yes. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and click no, and you'll be taken through the steps to download Steam. In my case, I've already got Steam installed, so what I'm going to do is click yes and then click to open Steam on the pop-up that comes up. So what's going to happen now, Steam's just updating. It's just going to take a minute or two and then it's going to load through, and once Steam has loaded through, it's going to start the installation straight away. So you can see it's currently set to install to my C drive. All I'm going to do is come and click onto install, and that's going to start downloading through Steam. As you can see, it says starting download at the bottom. What we can do is come up and click onto library at the top, and we can check the progress of our download in the games list on the left hand side. So you can see Dota 2 is here. If we give that a click, you can see the progress of the download. So it's currently just starting through now, but of course once that's downloaded and installed, this button here is going to say play. So if I come to a game that's already installed, you're going to see a green play button like this. So you just want to wait for it to finish downloading and installing, and then of course you can go ahead and play Dota 2. So that is how to download and install Dota 2 on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.